Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture. We will see the nature of composites always in the same chapter informing engineering materials from the elements. So a composite is a combination of two or more dissimilar materials. The resultant material is endowed with properties superior to any of its parental ones. And we have here an example of vertical stabilizer. Here the rudder. These are just example of composites. So wood is a cellulose fibers held together by matrix of lignin. Clad metal is a thermostatic control and steel plus a copper. For a polywood is the alternating grain in the layers overcomes the transfer deficiency. And by the way, the most important composites are ceramics and polymers, as we've seen. So we have fiberglass that is composed of fiber reinforced plastic, and we have also fibers of graphite and boron that are stiff and strong and lightweight. So composites present unlimited potential for higher strength, stiffness and corrosion resistance over pure materials.